Please subscribe to my channel KHS India and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sonika from KHS India. Normally I upload videos about Kurt, his music, fandom or crazy comedy videos. But this video is different because it's a travel vlog. I normally upload travel vlogs on my personal channel Sonika Agarwal. But this time I thought I'd upload them on KHS India too. August is Friendship Month on my channel and this video is about my friendship with nature. I went for a 2-day trip to Malshej Ghat and in this video I'm only going to show you what I do on the second day of my trip. Video of day 1 can be watched here and also down below. I have put its link, you can go check it out. Malshej Ghat is nestled in the lofty rugged hills of the Western Ghats and is about 150 kilometers away from Mumbai. I went there to spend some quality time with nature, with the hills, forests, trees, flowers and waterfalls. Also, I have a friendship meter. As I get closer to my friend nature, the meter will start jamming up. So, let's jam up! When the day has to start with photography, it has to start early. I was up at 5 AM in the morning because we had to head towards Malshej Point before 6:30 AM for some early morning photography and to spend some quality time with nature. Malshej Point is surrounded by lush green hills, forests, innumerable waterfalls engulfed in mist and rain. Nature at its most beautiful. The rain god did have some mercy on me and I could get these photographs this time. After our visit to Malshej Point, we were going to head back to our hotel for some breakfast, but there were so many cool waterfalls on the way, just couldn't resist them. These are some of my best shots, guys. I hope you like them. Finally, we headed back to our hotel for some breakfast and started packing because we had to check out of our hotel. Even on our way back, we stopped at a fair few places for some photography. So guys, I had a lot of fun at Malshej Ghat. I got to spend some quality time with nature, that is the hills, waterfalls, trees, leaves, flowers and whatnot. It's not that I don't get to spend time with nature in Mumbai. Mumbai is also very green and beautiful, but not in the way Malshej is. Malshej has innumerable waterfalls and a lot of greenery, especially during the late monsoon, that is from August to September. Friendship meter. I took this trip with DCP Expeditions. I go out with them a lot, and our mentor for this tour was Mrs. Sonal Patil. She's an amazing photographer. So if you guys are interested in photography or vlogging, YouTubing, I'll put their link down below. Please go check them out, guys. And if you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you love Malshej or nature just like me. If you have any suggestions or feedback for me, please leave them down below, guys. I will be happy to look them up. Share this video with your travel buddies and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Here is my day 1 video. Please go check it out. This is my channel Sonal, where I regularly upload videos about travel and photography. Please go check them out, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. No. Peace. Wow.